Greetings and welcome to Golden Workshop. I'm Doc.Peace, your empowerment guru. Let's dive right on in. Today's objectives are as follows. Number one, learn my powerful acronym GOLD to help tap into your golden attributes. We'll also create a golden affirmation to help take you from powerless to powerful. And lastly, I'll entrust you with your golden assignment. So let's dive right on in by letting you know who I am. I'm Doc.Peace Uche, also known as Doc.Peace. I am the creator of the Golden Program and the Golden Speaking Program. Through the Golden Program, I help women who are feeling stuck in their lives and unfulfilled clearly define their purpose and confidently advance towards that purpose. And through the Golden Speaking Program, I help high achieving wellness experts who are stuck in their career create an offer and grow their online based business organically. I'm also a transformational rhythmic speaker who transforms mindsets using the power of spoken word, also known as rhythmic poetry. If you're not yet familiar with spoken word and would like to experience it, go to Instagram and type in Doc.Peace. You'll see some spoken word clips, which I call flows, along with doses of inspiration that I call flow verbs. Whether I'm speaking to a corporate audience, a podcast, or a workshop, I always find a way to integrate spoken word because one, it can be quite raw, vulnerable, inspiring, and empowering. And two, it's a way for me to express myself fully and openly. Whew. Before we get into this training, I want to go over this original quote from yours truly. I want to remind everyone that no sunrise or sunset is exactly alike. See, each beam lights up the sky in a distinct way, so shine your unique ray. If this is you right now, you're sitting there and you're saying this year has been quite a challenge, but you just know that you want to enrich your personal life. I want to remind you that your gifts and talents are so very unique. There is no one like you. So it's time to harness your power within and begin to shine your unique ray. See, we each have a distinct gift that we have been blessed with, and holding back from sharing this blessing is a disservice to the world and, most importantly, yourself. There is no better day than today to start recreating yourself and to shine your unique ray. You can do it. You can do it. And I want to remind you of this as we go through this training. The art of being gold is the very foundation of my golden program. This golden program is what I offer for young females to tap into the core of who they are. The very act of being gold helps to build confidence and form stronger connections to enhance both your social life and career. But before we dive into what it truly means to be gold, let's first dive deeper into the benefits. I believe that everyone is either gold or has the potential to be gold. Understanding what it means to be gold allows us to acknowledge and appreciate our innate gifts and talents, as well as to acknowledge and appreciate the innate gifts and talents of others. Doing so allows us to connect better with ourselves and with each other and to form authentic relationships. So who's ready to be gold? Comment silently or out loud, gold. Let's now dive into the art of being gold. I'll be asking a series of questions, so I ask that you grab a notebook and pen to record your responses. You're also welcome to share your responses out loud with your tribe. So here we go. The G of gold stands for genuine, meaning being authentically yourself. By being your true self, you shine your light. What is this light? It's the innate gifts and talents that you were born with. It can even encompass unique skill sets that you've learned and developed throughout your life. This light is what you give out when you share these traits of yours. When you are genuine, you shine your light. When you are your authentic self, you shine your light. When you dare to be yourself, you shine your light. They say no pain, no gain, and that beauty is pain, but what's the gain in having beauty if you hide it away? Our features, our gifts, our talents, our unique skill sets were not meant to be hidden, but rather appreciated and expressed. See, these traits of ours are what make us each so beautiful. So, how can we be more genuine? Think on what specific attributes, be it physical or character based, do people commonly notice and compliment you on? What are some unique character traits that distinguish you? What are some unique character traits you've come to notice and appreciate in others? I challenge you to compliment yourself and at least one other person each day. Begin to take notice and to voice your appreciation of yourself and others. If you're with me, on this, comment silently or out loud, genuine. Moving on to the O of gold. The O of gold stands for original, meaning expressive of new ideas and openness to share your uniqueness, your innate gifts and innovative ideas with others. See, there is a reason why you were given your gifts, and sharing them is an expression of gratitude. It's you that you are intended to be. If not you, then who would you see when you looked in the mirror? So how can we be more original? Looking back at your list of specific physical and character traits, what from this list distinguishes you from others? Here's a big hint. Circle them all. Circle them all because you are unique. There is no one else like you. No one can do exactly what you are capable of doing in the same way that you are capable of doing it. Your exact mix of gifts and talents and attributes, they are so unique that there is no one like you. So without you expressing your uniqueness, who else will? And all of your unique qualities will go unused, and your unique tree of ideas will bear no fruit. What a waste. So how can we be more original? How can you be more unapologetically you? I invite you from here on out to own your unique traits and furthermore, appreciate the originality in others. If this is all making sense, comment silently or out loud, original. Original. What's your best takeaway so far? Write this takeaway down and share it with your tribe. The L of gold. The L of gold stands for loving. Loving meaning acting from the heart. When you come from a place of love, you open your heart to receive love. Always strive to make a positive impact, for you never know who's appreciating you behind your back. You never know who's watching, who's supporting and following in your footsteps. See, every decision has the potential to make a difference. And depending on whether that decision comes from a place of love determines that ripple effect. So how can we be more loving? Whatever you do from a place of love because you'll find more enjoyment and your contentment will attract others. See, love begets love. So what do you love to do? What makes your heart happy? What makes you smile? What activity, exercise, motion makes you smile and warms the depth of your soul? These are great questions to ask yourself and to ask others to better connect with yourself and each other. Share what you love with your tribe and comment silently or out loud, loving, if you are loving the art of being gold. And now we come to the D of gold. The D of gold stands for dreamer. Dreamer meaning thinking big. This requires having the courage to make your ideas a reality, the strength to voice them, and the willfulness to think positive and believe in yourself. See, idleness is passiveness. Idleness is passiveness. So we must make forward moves intentionally to become the you've envisioned. But this above all else, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. So, how can you be a dreamer? How can you think bigger? What are your current dreams and ideas? What steps have you taken to make your ideas take form? I encourage you to share your dreams, share your ideas with others. Think back, was there ever a time you shared your idea with someone else and that sparked a conversation that led to another conversation and may have led to something greater? I encourage you to take the time. Take the time to discover the dreams and ideas of those around you. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised what collaborations and authentic relationships can form from just one shared dream and a few innovative and passionate ideas. Comment silently or out loud, dreamer, if you are still with me. So, how will you apply the art of being gold to your life? Let's take this time to review. The art of being gold stands for genuine, be authentically you, original, express new ideas and share your gifts, loving, act with heart, and dreamer, think big. Think big and make forward moves. And remember that you are gold. Share with your tribe why you are gold. I like to take the time now to create your powerful, personal, positive affirmations using PACT. PACT is my newest offering that is guaranteed, yes, guaranteed to transform your mindset from powerless to powerful. PACT stands for Personal Affirmation Creation Tool. And it truly is the ultimate pact with your inner self. So what is a self-affirmation? Per Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a self-affirmation is the act of affirming one's own worthiness, affirming one's own worthiness and value as an individual for beneficial effect, such as increasing one's confidence or raising self-esteem. So today, using the powerful affirmation creation tool, you'll develop powerful, positive affirmations that strongly resonate with you and your goals and speak to your soul to get you to begin to make those forward moves intentionally. To get it going. Get it going. PACT is based off years of research, which shows that the strongest affirmation is one which aligns with both your core values and your future goals. With this tool, you will create powerful affirmations to release negative energy, to receive desired feelings and positive vibes and opportunities, to set intention on your soul purpose, to claim your future goals, and to embody your ideal characteristics. Let's take a moment now to create one affirmation that empowers you and reminds you that you have value, that encourages you to share your innate gifts and talents, because until you believe that you are capable, worthy of value, you believe that you are not. You believe that you are not capable or worthy or of value. So I want you to repeat after me. I am gold because, and fill the sentence in with a personal success or skill set, one of your golden attributes. So, for example, I am gold because I am blessed with the ability to inspire others with my rhymes. Why are you gold? Why are you gold? I invite you to respond silently or out loud and to share your golden affirmation with your tribe. Whew. This leads us to your golden assignment. Before issuing your golden assignment, I'd like to first share with you my seed theory. A seed contains within it the potential to grow into something beautiful and unique. A watermelon seed will grow into a watermelon, a tomato seed will grow into a tomato, and what grows from a pumpkin seed? Pumpkins. And planted in fertile, rich soil, that seed will grow, that seed will blossom, that seed will thrive. But planted in dry, hard, unfertile soil, that same seed will dry out and die. Thoughts are like seeds. Thoughts hold the potential to become something incredible, to reach your fullest potential. And if they are planted in a fertile mindset, one that nourishes them with hope, one that showers them with love, one that does not bury them too deep under self-doubt, they will grow and thrive. They will grow and thrive when planted in a fertile mindset. So water the seed with positivity and blossom into the vision that you foresee. Continuously acknowledging and appreciating and sharing your golden attributes creates a fertile mindset. So I ask again, what are your golden attributes? So, as your golden assignment, I want you to create a golden board. A golden board is similar to a vision board, but it's golden. It contains images of all of your golden attributes. What makes you genuine? What makes you original? What do you love about yourself? What makes you a dreamer? Whatever you resonate with that makes your heart and soul light up, I want you to place this on your golden board. And I want you to be honest, be true, be you. And once you create your golden board, continuously behold it. When you awaken, when you feel down at any moment of the day, look up at this display of your golden attributes to remind your mind what you're capable of, to get re-inspired to shine your light. Here's a screenshot of my golden board. This is my golden board, which I've hung on the wall adjacent to my bed. So when I wake up in the morning, it's the first thing that I see. And it encourages me each time, reminding me that I am unique, that I am unapologetically me. And it gives me confidence. It gives me that confidence I need to pursue my dreams. So again, your golden assignment is to create a golden board. Tack on your golden attributes and place it in an area where you will see it regularly. Even wake up to it and be reminded that you are gold. So that concludes Golden Workshop with Doc.Peace. That's me. If you would like to learn more about what we went over or discuss additional ways to empower your confidence, connect with me at calendly.com/Doc.Peace. Again, that's calendly.com/Doc.Peace. Remember, there is no better day than today to begin to shine your unique ray. Shine on, Starling.